Right, I'm not sure if to put that glass there, because I think I've put this silver vinyl too wide. I think you need to see a bit more of that yellow. So I think the top piece, I'm going to make the silver a bit shorter, I think. Not sure. Just scratch my head on that one. And here we have my LED lights, what's going to go in there. I've got quite a few different types. These are RGB ones. They're just white. They're 24 volt, which is strange. But I have got two of these. These are the controllers for them, but they're just the Wi-Fi, which means you can turn them on with my phone and change the colours, or they also come with one of these, which you can either set it or just. I'll probably just not use Wi-Fi section on this bit. I think I'll just choose a colour or and decide from that. I think it'll look alright. My plan is put this LED strip all the way up round here, facing that way, so it'll shine onto there. I think it'll look quite good. There we have it, with the LEDs round. I think that looks pretty good. I might actually leave it like that. Looking good. Obviously it's a bit flashy. I'll just try a few different modes. So we've got red, we've got green, we've got blue, we've got white, we've got flash, strobe. No, I don't like that one. Fade. Or smooth. Actually, I might leave it on that. That was pretty cool. I haven't fired the centre LEDs up yet, the ones I got off that electric fire, and the top ones. So I'm going to wire them up and see what. I think I might just have them on a steady light. I'm not sure yet. I could incorporate them to change with same. Turn this bloody autofocus off. Yeah, I could connect them middle lights and the top light to the controller, because the 12 volt controller. And have them changing at the same time as that. I'm not sure, or to have them separate. I'll just put some power to them and see what it looks like with just some power on. There's three colours. There's white, orange, I do believe, or red, and blue. You can have them all on at once, or you can select colours. Undecided, but we'll have an experiment and see what happens. There you go. I might leave it like that actually. Then up there, you probably can't see them, is them jumbo LEDs. Just cut these little side pieces. That's where the money trap's going to be, underneath there. I'm going to cut out a hole there for it to drop through into a separate compartment, which will be covered by that and covered by that. From above, you see the shape. Right, and to cover them, I'm covering the panels with sticky vinyl from my vinyl machine. So that's one side, and that's the other side. Added a few coloured sweeties. I got the picture off Google and just printed it on some paper and stuck it on with spray adhesive on that side. Sweet. Ha! Do you get it? Sweet. That's one hole. Just got to cut the other side. These are going to go all over the floor, so when it's pushing, some of these will go into a separate tub, which would usually be for the owner, the vendor. Clonk, 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 clonk. And the same at that side. Hidden, of course, out of view. And that's it with the glass on the top, sorry, and on the bottom. Funky. Let's have a look at all my crap, shall I? Drivers, ping pong balls, relays, sensors, stepper motors, vibrating motors, micro switches. This is my bits and bobs thing. Potentiometer. Oh, that's going to come in handy. That's actually a shock sensor. That'll be going on it. All the goodies. Right, I had a bit of a bouncing issue with 2Ps. They were bouncing off the top one onto top of other coins nearly every time. So what I've had to do, I've just put that yellow piece of plastic on there, and that seems to be working perfect. You're probably getting 80% what's pushing and others are bouncing on top, which is what you want it to do. I've also put in some little guards there to stop the 2Ps getting pushed past the little holes there at the side when it focuses. There. Same at the other side. And I've also put some little pieces of yellow plastic there to stop them from going on that little shelf at the side. I need a wider angle lens.
Well, still wants one in the middle, I think. Yeah, definitely wants some perspex on it.
Stuck. Well, I had to make a few adjustments to the side chutes. There wasn't enough coins going through it, so I've had to move the guider underneath a bit further back. There's a few alterations to do. Not happy with pegboard. It is working. There's a couple of places where it's getting stuck. Apart from that, it's working okay. So stay tuned for the next video.